welcome back to Logan's Homestead. My name is Nathan, and today we will be putting tracks on the skid steer. We have a Gehl 3310, and these tracks that I made, I think it was 3/16 by 3 inch wide flat steel that I cut to length and took to my local welding shop for them to bend the angle for me. And then I just welded it to the chain, and I'll string them out and show you what they look like. But this is what we're putting it on. Like I said, it's a Gehl 3310. Had the old Onan engine in it. I retrofitted it with the newer Honda GX 690. Had to do a little modification to the mounts so it was a little higher and the drive shaft lined up straight. So yeah, it's a good little machine. I rebuilt all the cylinders as they were leaking when I got it, and put some new lights on it. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so now I got them laid out here, and we'll just drive up on them. Okay, so now we have to let the air out of the tires so that we can pull the chains together, and then once we get them hooked together like that, we can air up the tires again, and that'll set the tension on the tracks, and that'll keep them from slipping and coming off. So let's let the air out. Okay, so now we got this little chain binder I found. I'm not even sure where I got it at, but this is what I use to hook the chain and then pull it tight. So let's see if we can get it. Okay, now we can put air back in the tires and tighten up the chain. This is a DeWalt portable air compressor. Has a little blow tube on it too to pump up inflatables or something like that. Not sponsored, but I love this little thing. It does really good. I start out at 20 psi. Alright, so we got 25 pounds of air in them. We'll have to drive it around a little bit and see if they need some more to keep the chains tight. That's not too bad right there. So, on to the other side. Okay, so there we go. We'll probably have to adjust the tire pressures after we drive it a little bit. The chain might loosen up, or they could be too tight. So we will see what it looks like. Well, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.